Hello students, so now we start exercise 2.3. Okay, so in last video we see the example question that is related to division algorithm. So this exercise is totally based on division algorithm. Okay, so let's start with first question. Exercise 2.3, first question. Divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and remainder. Find the quotient and remainder. Okay, so the first part is kx is given, that is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and another polynomial is given, that is gx, x square minus 2. Okay, so what you have to do here actually, the part is divide x square minus 2. Okay, so how we start division? So just you have to see the first term of this and first term of this. Okay, this you actually want, this is your result, and this actually is given to us. Okay, just you have to think by which number, by which term we multiply this x square, so we will get x. Okay, so the number is what? Simply x here. What? X. If you multiply x with this x square, okay, but you have to multiply with whole expression. Okay, just at the time of this number, at the time of thinking, just you have to take first term of this and first term of this. But when you are doing multiplication, you have to take whole expression. This x we are taking x into x square, x cube, x into 2x. Okay, so x we will get right here. So x cube minus 2x. So this is like term. Okay, 2x, so you have to write it here with below the 5x. There is no term of x. So then subtraction, so this is minus, okay, this minus and minus 2x. Here you have to write this minus becomes the sign changing. Okay, because we are subtracting this both the expression, so the sign will be changed. So this x cube cancel out, this plus 2x plus 5x. Plus 2 plus 5. Answer is what? 7x. Answer is what? 7x. Okay. So next term is 7x, and this minus 3x square as it is. It's clear? Because there is no like term for x square, so you have to write it as it is, and this plus 2 and plus 5. 7x. The next number we have to take minus 3. Okay, multiply minus 3 with x square minus 2. So this minus 3x square minus into minus plus 6. So minus 3x square plus 6. So here you have to write plus 6. Okay, then take this number also constant. Okay, next step you can write this number, but if you take in this step, so there is no need to do next step. So we can write in this way. So again sign changing, this minus becomes plus, that plus becomes minus. Okay. Okay, this part is clear. Right? Then what's the next thing? This plus 3x square minus 3x square cancel out. 7x as it is. And minus 6 minus 3 minus 9. Okay. And here you can say the degree of this expression is what? 1, and the degree of this expression is 2. So this is the degree of this expression is less than this expression, so you have to stop the process. In two cases we generally stop the process. First, when we get the remainder 0, and another case is this, and the degree of this remaining part is less than divisor. Okay, so this is question number. Px is given, that is px equal to x raised to power 4, 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and gx is given, that is x square plus 1 minus x. First of all, just you have to write in the standard form. So you can write x square, then x term, है ना? You already discussed in last videos, है ना? Just always write in sequence. Then same thing, dividend, and this part is divisor. So x is power 4, 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Here x square minus x plus 1. Okay. तो फटाफट करते हैं इसको सॉल्व, ठीक है? So again same thing, x is power 4, this is what x square. So which term you have to take? X square. If you multiply this x square minus x by this x square, so what you get? X is power 4. X square into x square is what? X is power 4. X square into x is x cube. X square into 1 is x square. Okay. So you can write x is power 4, then minus x cube, then what term you can write? X is what? Plus x square. Clear? Okay. So here you can see the term, you can see this x4 and x4, and there is actually x2, but there is no like term for x2. Okay, so just write in this way here, so you can better understand. Write it here minus 3x square and plus 4x plus 5. Just leave this space, okay? Here. So this sign changes minus plus and minus. So this is cancel out, and this plus x cube as it is, there is no like term for x cube. Minus x square minus 3x square minus 4x square. And next term is 4x square. Okay. The next term x cube you want, or you have x square. So अब क्या multiply करेंगे? x square x cube मिल गया. Simply x multiply करेंगे. So x cube. So x is multiplied with this. So x cube, then x into x square, then x into 1, 1x. And sign change minus. This plus, this minus becomes, so this plus becomes minus. Cancel out, plus x square minus 4, minus 3x square, minus x plus 4x plus 3x. The next term is 5. Okay. Then what do you want? Minus 3x square you want, and we have x square. Now multiply it simply, minus 3. So minus 3 into this, minus 3x square plus 3x minus 3. Then sign change, plus minus plus. So this negative one can cancel out, my plus 3x square minus 3. Minus 3x plus 3x, this is also cancel out. Plus 3 plus 5, answer is plus 8. Okay, so this is what remainder here, and this part is your portion. Okay, so in this way you can easily solve the questions. This topic is actually very important for exam point of view. Okay. So move to the next part, third part. Third part is p of x equals to x is power 4 minus 5x plus 6, and g of x is also given 2 minus x2. Same thing. This is dividend and this part is divisor. So dividend is x is power minus 4. Okay, so first you have to write this in standard form. So x square down minus the sign of this plus 2 plus 2. Okay, so this is divisor. Standard form में लिख के ही divide करना है. Then x is power 4 you want, and this is what given part. So what do you have to do? Minus x square you have to use. If you multiply minus x square with this, minus x square plus 2. So minus minus plus, then x is power 2 into x to the power 2 is x to the power 4. Then plus, then minus into plus, minus 2x square. Okay. So x is power 4 and minus 2x square. Okay. I think this part is clear. So again same thing, there is no so just leave this space right here, minus 5x plus 6. This way. So sign change, minus x becomes plus, minus minus cancel out. this plus 2x square here. There is no like term for this, minus 5x. Then 2x square you want, minus 2 minus x square here. So minus 2. What are you going to use? Minus 2. So minus 2 into minus x square plus 2. So this is what? Plus 2x square and minus 4. So plus 2x square and again minus 4 here. Okay. Okay, then take another constant term also. This is the same way. Or you can take it next step also. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Next step में भी इसको consider करो. Minus then this and plus. Cancel out हो गया. Okay. Minus 5x as it is plus 4. This is what? 10. So this is remainder and this is quotient. Okay. This is first question. Exercise 2.3. So as students, so let's do second question. Exercise 2.3, second question. Okay. Same thing you have to do here. Same long division. Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. Okay. Second. Okay, so check whether the first polynomial is the factor of second polynomial. Okay. First part is t square minus 3. Then second polynomial is 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 5. Okay. T square minus t is first polynomial and this is second polynomial. So check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. Okay, the first polynomial है वो second polynomial का factor होगा. ठीक है, तो what the meaning of actually factor? Let's first understand with one numerical number example. Okay, if I say 2 is a factor of 4. Okay, 2 is a factor of 4. So what it means? If we divide 4 by 2, okay, 2 is a 4. So the remainder is 0. 2 is a factor of 4. Why 2 is a factor of 4? If you divide 4 by 2, now you will get the remainder 0. The same thing applicable to the polynomial also. Okay, if you divide this second polynomial by first, okay, so we can say this is factor of this one. Clear? So just do the long division. Same thing, this you have to take as dividend. Second polynomial take as dividend. 3t 2 square 2t square 9t minus 5. Here t square. Okay, so again and again I am saying the same thing. This topic is most important. In this chapter, two things important: middle term splitting and division algorithm. Division of polynomial. So 2t is for 4. So you have to take 2t square. If you multiply this t square minus 3 with 2t square, your first term will be 2t is power 4. So 2t square into t square, 2t is power 4. Then 2t square into 3, 6t square. So you have to write here. आगे डिस्कस किया था कि लाइक टर्म्स के साथ लिखना है ना. Then sign change minus plus. So this two cancel out. 3t cube as it is. There is no like term. Plus 6 minus 2t square plus 4t square. Okay. T. Then 3t cube t square plus 3t you can use. 3t into this is 3t cube. Okay, just what's the main thing? Just you have to make first term same. Okay, ये first term को same करना है. Then minus 3t into this is what? Minus 3 to the 9 minus 90. So write it here, and you can write down this term also 90. Okay, for calculation. Next step will be does it, but for calculation. minus sign this negative as it is, minus minus 6. So this cancel out. Sign इसका change नहीं होगा upper part का, only the sign will change of the sign only change of which part? This lower part. Okay. So this 4d square as it is plus 9 minus 9 cancel out 0. Okay. And next term is minus 12. Clear? Then plus 4 we can use. So 4 into t square, 4d square minus 12 minus this plus. So this is cancel out and this plus 12 minus plus. So remainder is 0. So here remainder is what? 0. It means this polynomial is factor of this. Okay, so in the same way, just you have to check what remainder. If remainder is 0, so this is the factor of first polynomial is factor of second. Okay, in the same way, you can solve second and third part. Okay. So the second part is x square 3x plus 1, 3x is for 4, 5x cube, 7x square, 2x plus 2. Okay, the third part is x cube minus 3x plus 1, x raised to power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so in the same way, you have to solve second and third part. Okay, so you can try this both the questions. Okay, just we have to check what remainder. If the remainder is 0, so you can say the following first polynomial is the factor of second. Okay, so let's try these questions. Okay, by yourself. Okay, because less number of questions are there in book related to long divisions. So it's just for your practice. So next question is what? Question number 3, exercise 2.3. Okay, that we'll see in our next video. So please complete these questions.